Beyond the Gate, an exclusive look at the 2021 Supercross season with the Yamaha Star Racing team.
Swami! What are you doing? Oh, did you miss me? Oh boy. This is probably gonna get ruddy though, so you might have to go 2, 3, 3, 1, inside, on, off. It seems to me now, it's just they filled it all over, because it was outside 3 and then the triple, but I think they just made it like a little double hot dog out. You know, when you sit back and really think about it, I think for me, I think with everything, how this whole this whole COVID thing really hit at this, it really, I mean, I knew I was blessed as a person, but it really made me like open my eyes and really, see like, man, like we really are blessed to be able to do what we do every day, and not have to just, worry about too much. Just the only thing you really have to worry about is, doing your dirt bike, and everything carries on. So.
Don't build from it.
At least you put this thing in top 5. It's a start. It's a start.
And I was getting web at some point. Did I pass him after I passed Henderson? I was like, wow. I give everything I have.
That's good.
Good job. Push anymore.
Yeah.